Hi dear friends, welcome to the 25th part of multiple choice questions on income tax. Question 1. PAN is compulsory if total turnover is likely to exceed A. Rupees 50,000, B. Rupees 5 lakh, C. Rupees 2,50,000 and D. Rupees 50 lakh. Option B. Rupees 5 lakh. Second one, PAN stands for A. Personal assessment number, B. Permanent assessment number, C. Permanent account number and D. Personal account number. Options C is the correct answer, permanent account number. Third one, in case of defective return, the time allowed for rectification shall be a period of A. 7 days, B. 15 days, C. 21 days and D. 30 days. Option B. 15 days. Fourth one, any person who has not furnished a return of income within the time allowed may file A. Revised return, B. Belated return, C. Defective return and D. None of these. Option B. Belated return. Fifth one, return of loss is filed as per A. Section 139 subsection 1, B. Section 139 subsection 3, C. Section 139 subsection 4 and D. Section 142 subsection 1. Option B. Section 139 subsection 3. Sixth one, interest charged for failure of filing return within due date is at A. 1.5% per month, B. 1% per month, C. 1% per annum, D. 1.5% per annum. Option B. 1% per month. Seventh one, voluntary filing of return is made as per A. Section 139 subsection 1, B. Section 139 subsection 3, C. Section 139 subsection 4 and D. Section 139 subsection 5. Option A. Section 139 subsection 1. Eighth one, first step in assessment procedure is A. Determining residential status, B. Filing return of income, C. Determining tax liability and D. Call for supporting documents. Option B. Filing return of income. Ninth one, assessment means A. Computation of income, B. Determination of tax liability, C. Imposing liability on taxpayer and D. All of these. Option D. All of these. 10th one, Section 80 RRB is in respect of A. Interest on SB accounts, B. Royalty income of others, C. Royalty on patents and D. Income of cooperative societies. Option C. Royalty on patents. Thank you for watching this video.